Use the product rule to differentiate 5x into 2x plus 1 all of it to power 3. So we're going to differentiate 5x into 2x plus 1 all of it to power 3. Now to do this, we use the product rule where we keep 5x constant and then differentiate 2x plus 1 power 3 plus keep the 2x plus 1 cubed constant and then differentiate the 5x. Now, let's start differentiating. Now, to keep 5x constant, and then we differentiate this. Differentiating this 2x plus 1 power 3, we need to use the chain rule. And now to use the chain rule, that would be multiply the power, that is the 3, write 2x plus 1 of it to the power, which is being reduced by 1, and we get 2. Then times the derivative of this 2x plus 1. The derivative of 2x plus 1 is just 2. Plus, we are keeping this one constant. That is 2x plus 1 power 3. And then we differentiate 5x. When we differentiate 5x, we just get a 5. So, that is the derivative of this. Now the next step is just to simplify this to come up with a better answer. So simplifying this, we shall start by factorizing, and we can also see that we have 5 common. Even this one, the 5 is common. And then we have this 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1, but this is a power of 2 and this one is a power of 3. So we take out the one with the smaller power, and the one with the smaller power would be the 2x plus 1 power 2. So we have 5, which was our common stuff for the numbers, 5, and then 2x plus 1 power 2, that is common. Now, in here we are left with this x, this 3, and that 2. So multiplying all of them, that will give us 6x. Plus, here we are just left with one of these 2x plus 1 cubed. So we are just left with 2x plus 1 all of it power 1. But that is the same as just 2x plus 1. And then we just have to simplify this one in that bracket. And to do that, we just have to add the 6x plus 2. So we have 5 into 2x plus 1 power 2, and then into 8x plus 1. And that becomes our answer to the derivative of 5x into 2x plus 1 all of it cubed. Thank you.